Hello guys, so I just want to know how many of you guys have used the 714 method today and how many of you guys are currently in this trade or currently got this trade today. That is just what I want to know. That's why I'm doing this video. I mean, today was very simple, right? So let's take profits right here, leaving the last trade, right? So that's nice. So obviously the first TP has already been hit. Obviously we'll probably take a different profit below this range right here, but we haven't reached the right yet, right? Very soon. So the first TP has already been hit, right? What I just want to know is how many of you guys are in this trade at the moment. If you're in this trade or if you've gotten this trade with the 714 method, try your best and just type W right inside the comment section. And if you've not, right, if you've not gotten this trade and you actually want me to explain the reason why we did not get into the trade around this range, but we later on got in around this range right here, try your best and just type explain right so that I'll explain it for you. Because it was a very simple trade. This was where we were supposed to enter with just a little problem. That's why we did not. But this is just the trade for the 714 method today. If you also want me to explain the whole process of this whole 714 method, how we got this trade, you can equally just say explain right, so that I'll do it for you, right? It's very simple. But that's just what I wanted to know. I wanted to know how many of you guys are in this trade currently, because it's a very simple yet very beautiful trade, right? I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.